As you exhale, release the hands, come down towards the back of the mat. Take the interlace that feels a little less natural here. Pulling the hands away from the body, we inhale to reach the chest up. Inhaling, exhaling, moving back to humble warrior. That gaze comes down towards left toe, reaching the hands away from the body. See if you can go a little lower. We're really feeling that left glute firing up. Inhale, and as you exhale, slowly release, hands come down to frame the front foot. We send it all the way back, long pyramid. See, next inhale, lift your gaze. Rocking back forward, we drop the right knee and tucking the right toes, lifting all the way up, Anjaneyasana. Reaching into the fingertips as you exhale, cactus out the arms. Inhaling here. Exhaling, both hands come down to frame the front foot, lifting the right knee, tucking the right toes, and sending the left foot back to meet the right foot. Inhale here. Exhale, knees, chest, chin, or chaturanga.